Okay, so now we will learn some words related to farming, such as a farm, a farmer, tractor, wheat, sheep, and those words. So let's try it out. The first one is un granjero, and this one means a farmer. Un granjero, a farmer. Granjero, farmer. And the next one is un tractor, which means a tractor. So this one is simple. Un tractor, a tractor. Tractor. And the next one, el maíz. This one means the corn. El maíz. The corn. Maíz. And the fourth one is el trigo, which means the wheat. El trigo, wheat. Trigo. So some of these ones are very different from English. For example, trigo, wheat. Maíz, corn. Tractor is the same. And granjero, a farmer, granjero. Okay, so one more time. Un granjero, un tractor, el maíz, el trigo. Okay, and the next ones, here we have some animals. The first one is una cabra, a goat. Una cabra. Una cabra, goat. The next one is un burro, a donkey. Un burro, a donkey. Burro. And the next one, un cerdo, which means a pig. Un cerdo, a pig, cerdo. And the next one, una abeja, a bee. Una abeja, abeja, bee. So one more time, una cabra, a goat. Un burro, a donkey. Un cerdo, a pig. Una abeja, a bee. Okay, and here we have a few more. For example, las semillas, the seeds. Las semillas, semillas, seeds. Las semillas. The next one, la miel, which means the honey. La miel, miel, honey, la miel. The next one, la máquina, the machine. La máquina, the machine, máquina. And the fourth one, la granja, the farm. La granja, the farm, granja. So one more time, las semillas, the seeds. La miel, the honey. La máquina, the machine. And la granja, the farm. So granja is similar to el granjero, the farmer. So yes, el granjero, farmer. La granja, the farm. Okay. And a few more. We have a lot of vocabulary. The next one is plantar, which means to plant. Plantar. So yes, it comes from the word planta. Plantar. To plant a plant. Plantar. The next one, cosechar. This one is very different from English. Cosechar. Cosechar means to harvest. Cosechar. To harvest. Cosechar. And the next one, regar. Regar means to water. For example, to water the plants. Regar. To water. Regar. And the next one, alimentar. Alimentar means to feed. Alimentar. To feed. Alimentar. So one more time, plantar, to plant. Cosechar, to harvest. Regar, to water. Alimentar, to feed. Alimentar. Okay, so let's go for the examples. The first example. El granjero planta unas semillas de maíz en su granja. So we have 4 new words in one phrase. El granjero, the farmer, planta, to plant, unas semillas, some seeds, de maíz, of corn, some corn seeds, semillas de maíz, corn seeds, en su granja, on his farm. So yes, there's a lot of vocabulary on this one phrase. El granjero planta unas semillas de maíz en su granja. The farmer plants some corn seeds on his farm. So yes, I recommend checking out the Quizlet after for this one because there's a lot of vocabulary, a lot of new words. The next one. Estamos cosechando trigo. We are harvesting wheat. Estamos cosechando, we are harvesting, trigo, wheat. Estamos cosechando trigo. And the next example. Voy a regar, I'm going to water, voy a regar las plantas de mi jardín. I'm going to water the plants in my garden, of my garden, my garden plants. Voy a regar, I'm going to water las plantas, the plants, de mi jardín, of my garden. Okay, jardín means garden, jardín. And the next one. Tengo que alimentar a mis cabras. I have to feed my goats. Tengo que alimentar a mis cabras. Alimentar means to feed. I have to feed my goats. Tengo que alimentar mis cabras. And a few more. The next one is las abejas producen miel. Miel. Las abejas, bees, the bees, produce miel, honey. Bees produce honey. Las abejas producen miel. And the next one. Esta es una máquina para hacer ejercicio. This is an exercise machine. Esta es una máquina, this is a machine, para hacer ejercicio, for exercising, an exercising machine. Okay, and that's it for this one. And I recommend checking out the Quizlet because there are lots of new words. And yeah, you need to practice some new words. So as always, thanks for watching. So now it's your turn to practice Spanish. You can find the lessons Quizlet by going into the lecture resources folder. Thanks for watching.